Hey everybody, Dennis here. I want to show you something that I got at Amazon the other day, and it's from Go Novate, and it's wireless earbuds. And I'm an Uber driver, and I needed just one earbud to have in my left ear, so I can hear my passenger on the right ear, and I don't have anything plugged in there, because I'm old. You know, I'm getting old here. So anyway, this is the box that it came in, and this is what you get inside, plus the charging cable, extra stuff. Anyway, this is the inside of the box. You can see here. Open it up. Here's your earbud, left side, right side. So these are charging right now because you charge the box. And you can see here that it is fully charged. There's a little on-off button here. Turn that back on. It's fully charged. The charging port is right here, and I think that's called the micro USB cable. So any USB cable will micro end on it will work. But what these are, and I put them in wrong at first. I put them in to where they hang down. Well, you don't. You put them in to where it's off to the side. I mean, you can hardly see that. So, but you got to pair both of them. But you can use just the one if you want to. And you can push the button to answer the phone, push it again to hang up the phone. So it's got the microphone. This is pretty slick. I already paired it up yesterday, and it paired up with no sweat whatsoever. But they also, in the directions, they do have a place where you can go and look at a video, and it'll show you how to do it. Anyway, I wanted to show you this, and I think for the money, this is awesome. So there you go. All right, so if anything happens, anything different, I'll go ahead and post in here and do an update. All right, thanks. Have a good day.